Hey everybody, Bill Panoff here with Porthole Cruise and Travel. I'm here with Tommy Thompson, CEO of St. Kitts Tourism Authority. Tommy, how are you?
I'm great, Bill. How you doing?
Great. It's nice to see you. Every year we see one another at Sea Trade.
Yeah, indeed. And that was a great party you had last night, Bill. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
And I see you survived the Porthole party.
There you go.
St. Kitts is such a wonderful island. We've been there many times. We filmed a long-form video there, and it's the people, the culture, and it's just a very warming environment.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's one of those places where you go, you fall in love right away, and you want to come back. It's a great place for locals and visitors just to really line together.
Sure. St. Kitts has experienced a remarkable growth in tourism in recent years. What do you think are the key factors that attributed to the growth?
Well, I think we did a complete repositioning of the destination.
Right.
So we were able then to make sure that we are delivering on what we're promoting. So we also had the opportunity to get more visibility for St. Kitts.
Right.
And we did that by increasing our PR, increasing our marketing, and definitely increasing airlift to the island. So that's been really great for us.
Another element that's very, very important is sustainability and responsible tourism are increasingly important, obviously, to the industry and to the island. What steps are you taking or initiatives to address that?
So the government of St. Kitts and Nevis, they're really looking to move the destination, the country, to a sustainable island destination. So with that, they're looking not at only at the environment, they're also looking at how to financially make the island secure, and also education on how to educate the population of what it means to be a sustainable island destination. And just recently, we put in the ban for the single use of plastic. So there's a whole timetable of how we're going to roll that out. So we're definitely moving in the right direction.
St. Kitts is known for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. Can you highlight some of the unique experiences that guests will have a chance to partake in when they arrive?
Well, one of the great things is St. Kitts, we've got the only rainforest that's actually expanding rather than contracting. So there's great opportunities to go hiking. Also, we've got Mount Liamiga, where you can go and hike up that and go down into the crater. Got to be in shape for that one, though, Bill. So in addition to that, we've also got ATVing, zip lining. But some of the tours that we also have, we've got the only functional railway in the English-speaking Caribbean.
That's right.
So that's a great way for you to see the island. But then we also have farm-to-table experiences. You can do that at Liamiga Natural Farm.
Right.
You go up into the mountains, and you're able to have a great meal, but also take in all the what they're doing on the farm as well. And of course, you can't come to St. Kitts and not have rum.
Absolutely.
So, okay.
Absolutely.
So we've got a rum trail, but we also have the Petition Rum Master Program, where you learn how to make your own blend. You have the theoretical part of it, the practical side of it, and you leave as a Petition Rum Master with your certificate and with your bottle with your label on it.
How does St. Kitts Tourism collaborate with local communities to promote cultural exchanges and support the regional economic development?
And I'm glad you brought that up, because part of the Sustainable Island destination is to move the wealth of tourism throughout the island. And by doing that, what we're doing is going into the communities and forming trails and tours within those islands. But we're also working with them on festivals within those islands, so the visitors can come and enjoy what the culture and also be educated on what the destination has to offer.
How has exploration adventure played a role in promoting St. Kitts as a tourist destination?
One of the key pillars of our marketing strategy. Our new campaign is Venture Deeper.
Yep.
So that means we want you to not just fly and flop, but we want you to get out of the hotel, go into the communities, and it's just so easy for you as a visitor to connect with the local conditions. And within a couple of minutes, your friend, your family, and you lime in with the locals. So it's really good.
Any new developments or tourism projects on the horizon for St. Kitts?
Yep, we've just recently signed an agreement for Indigo Hotel. They're going to bring in a 42-suite hotel, so that's really key to us. And we've got an additional airlift coming into the destination for the fall season. And stay tuned, we'll give you more information on that. But we're also working really closely with the Ministry of Tourism to make sure that we're getting the correct policies in place, so that it's much easier for people to come and invest in St. Kitts, and also to have that guideline of how we're going to conduct the industry. So I think we're doing all the right things, and we're going to make sure that St. Kitts is even propelling itself even further and punching above its weight. It's a great destination.
It is.
Once you come, you're going to love it.
What is your vision of the future of tourism?
Well, definitely the vision is to make it a year-round destination. Right now we've got the seasonality in terms of the cruise call. But we've also seen that this year, usually the flights from JFK from Newark stop in April.
Right.
They're now going to the end of August. So we've got United out of Newark to the end of August. We've got JFK with American to the end of August. We've also got Charlotte with American to the end. And moving in for the summer, we've got again introducing our Summer of Fun program. And that kicks off with the St. Kitts Music Festival, which is the 27th to the 29th of June. That is then followed by the Nevis Mango Festival, and they claim that they've got 44 varieties of mangoes. So,
44?
Yeah, 44.
Oh my God.
That is then followed by the St. Kitts and Nevis Restaurant Week. And this year, the special ingredient is papaya.
Okay.
So all dishes, all drinks have to be papaya influenced. That is then followed by the Nevis Culturama. And this year, it's 50 years that they're celebrating. So that's going to be one whale of a party.
Wow.
And then we end the summer off with the Caribbean Premier League cricket. And then, that's the biggest cricket party in the world. So.
Tommy, you're getting me. First of all, you're getting me hungry talking about the food, and I can't wait to return to the island. I really had an amazing experience, and for those of you that are cruising to St. Kitts, you won't be disappointed. Actually, many of them that cruise to the island return as a land-based vacation.
Yep, and that is part of the strategy. We really want you to come back and enjoy the island. But for those who are coming on the cruise, there's so many activities that you can take advantage of. And if you just want to, walk around historic Bastille, you can do that as well. But we really want to encourage you to go out and enjoy the island, sample the food, the delights, the culture, and of course the drinks.
And the shopping right there at the pier with the ship's dock. I mean, it's a full retail development. It's amazing.
And in walking distance, okay, you get off the ship and you're right there, and you can get that retail therapy in.
Tommy, what a pleasure interviewing, and continued success with St. Kitts, and onward and upward. I'm Bill Panoff with Porthole Cruise and Travel.